Hello, this is Yi from Superface, and today I would like to show you ArcPay. ArcPay is the first agentic wallet that we built from the scratch to enable agentic payments and AI agents to pay for physical or digital goods and services autonomously, without human in the loop, and on your terms. Now, in 25, there is a whole lot happening in the world of agentic commerce. Coinbase introduced their X42 protocol. Google came with agentic payment protocol, AP2, backed by MasterCard, PayPal. And OpenAI recently introduced agentic commerce protocol together with Shopify and Stripe. These are nice protocols that are enabling basically autonomous purchases by your AI agents. Now, there is one big problem with them. The payment methods were not designed for AI and AI agents, as they depend on humans. And most importantly, these protocols that I was just mentioning are very difficult to be implemented. And they are not implemented just yet in major frameworks. So Agentic Commerce Protocol, 402, and or Google's AP2 protocols are quite difficult. And then you need to understand the whole money-moving ecosystem. Okay, so this is why we built the ArcPay, the first agentic wallet for autonomous payments. ArcPay gives your agent shopping protocols, payment methods, wallet with unified funds, shipping and billing information, knowledge how to use the money, and the guardrails, while providing you, the owner of the agent, with notifications and control of what the agent is doing. I will show you really quick how this actually works. We'll be using an example of basically an office running out of the coffee and a bot picking it up and ordering the coffee autonomously. Here is my ArcPay already set up and wallet funded. So I have currently over $580 in my ArcPay wallet. Now let's head over OpenAI Agent Builder. This is where we will build the agent for this demo. And to do so, it's quite simple. I have just agent node here, and I have equipped my agent with two MCPs. One is ArcPay Shopping MCP. So this is giving me basically the knowledge of ACP shopping protocol, but this could be AP2 or X42. And the other MCP that I have here is our ArcPay wallet. So this is equipping the agent with the knowledge of the money with basically the payment methods. Now let's look over on the merchant side of things. So for the demo, we have set up basically a storefront supporting ACP that's also equipped and participating with the ArcPay.ai. You can see there are currently no orders in my system, so this is basically a roaster of coffees. And I have my wallet set up as well for Super Coffee with over 1,000 USDCs. Back in the agent builder, I will go ahead and run this. And again, you can build this agent anywhere you like. This is just me using OpenAI agent builder because it's the most convenient and fastest way to build your agents and hook them up with MCPs. Now my query is rather simple. I'm just stating, hey, we ran out of the coffee. So let's go ahead and run this. Okay, so here is the result. Now, this gives me only JSON output, so let's go ahead and parse it in a nicer way. All right, so let's look in VS Code and see what actually happened there. So this is basically the steps that agent has taken. So it gets the permissions from the wallet first to basically do this operation. It retrieved the shipping addresses for the 7th floor. Again, we haven't stated anything like that. It talked to the merchant. You can see it's talking to the shopping MCP here. It listed the available products. It added the products to the car. It selected the express shipping because it knows we need the fastest delivery when we run out of the coffee. It's quite urgent, right? Then it used the wallet to pre-authorize the payments, and it completed the checkout and as a result 4 kilos of the premium coffees were ordered. It should be arriving basically by 27th of November. Now let's look at our ArcPay wallet. What happened there? Let's go ahead and refresh this. And we indeed see that we have sent to Super Coffee 224 USDCs. Now, if we look at the Super Coffee wallet and refresh it as well, we should see indeed the money arriving from this buyer. And finally, if we look at our merchant storefront, or like basically the back end of it, we see that there is indeed the order for 4 kilos in total, so we can start working on fulfilling the request as soon as possible. Alright, so this concludes our ArcPay demo. Hopefully you liked it. As you can see, this is the easiest and fastest way to make your agents pay for stuff autonomously, understanding the ACP protocols or 402 protocol or Google's AP2 coming later. All you need is to basically add the 2 ArcPay MCPs to your agents, and it suddenly knows how to work with the money and how to do shopping with the upcoming and new shopping protocols. Thank you for watching, and please get in touch with me. I'm Z at superface.ai or follow us at arcpay.ai.